Embark on your student journey with Somerset Court London, where inspiration meets accommodation. Step into a world of studio apartments and ensuites, where every space is a sanctuary adorned with modern comforts and thoughtful touches. Each room boasts a cozy bed, ample closet space, and a fully equipped kitchen, alongside convenient bike storage, ensuring your stay is as seamless as it is stylish. Your safety is top priority, which is why this stellar abode provides round-the-clock CCTV surveillance, offering peace of mind in your new home away from home. Located at a short stroll away from the prestigious Francis Crick Institute and the East Sea Language School, Somerset Court is your gateway to academic success and leisurely pursuits. Take a break between lectures for a rejuvenating power nap or venture out to discover the city's vibrant scene. Indulge in the culinary delights of nearby gems like Booking Office 1869 and Azura Restaurant and Bar, where every bite is a taste of happiness. Forget the worries of travel expenses, as the nearest bus stop, Aldenham Street, Stop S, and London Euston Subway Station are just a pleasant stroll away, ensuring seamless connections to wherever your adventures may take you. Don't just start your student life, ignite it with Somerset Court. Secure your spot today at amberstudent.com and make every moment count.